Dear learner, Namaste. I, Rashmi Bhatia from Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Muchala Polytechnic, Thane, presenting module on Basics of 8051 microcontroller. After watching this video, the learners will be able to describe features of 8051 microcontroller and identify pins of 8051 microcontroller. Microcontrollers are computer on chip. Microcontrollers are widely used in domestic appliances such as TV, AC, washing machines. Other applications are cell phones, automobiles, process control industry, robotics, and space applications. One of the example is the Mercedes cars used few dozens of different microcontrollers in it. To form a system, the microcontroller IC or microcontroller chip need to be interfaced. Different microcontroller chips and IC are used for different applications. 8051 is widely used microcontroller due to its features. It is a 8-bit microcontroller. Most of the operations are 8-bit. It has 128-byte RAM or data memory. It has 4 kilobytes of ROM, that is program memory. It consisting of 16-bit timer or counter. It supports 4 parallel port. Each port is of 8-bit and 1 serial port. It has 3 internal and 2 external, altogether 5 interrupts. So to form a system, we must interface IC. So what are requirements to interface any IC? Think and note down your answer. To interface or connect any IC, we must know port configuration and pin configuration. To simplify, as shown in this picture of socket and pin, to connect, we must know port configuration and pin configuration. So let us start with the pin configuration of 8051 IC. 8051 is 40-pin dual in-line package IC. Dual in-line package means a rectangular housing with 2 parallel rows of connecting pins. One row of pin number 1 to 20 on one side and remaining pin from 21 to 40 on another side. Let us start with power supply pin. Pin number 40 is the VCC and pin number 20 is the ground. Together form power supply pins. 8051 needs plus 5 volt to function properly. As we have seen in features, 8051 has 4 parallel port. Each port is of 8-bit size. These ports are bidirectional I/O port. These ports are port 0. Port 0 occupies pin number 32 to pin number 39. Port 1 occupies pin number 1 to pin number 8. Port 2 occupies pin number 21 to pin number 28, and port 3 from pin number 10 to pin number 17. So, these 4 ports, each of 8-bit size, occupies total 32 pins of 8051 IC. Now we'll proceed with the remaining pins. Pin number 9 is the RST pin or reset input pin. This is active high pin. This pin is used to reset the microcontroller. Logic 1 at this pin will reset all internal register and port. 8051 need external oscillator circuit. So pin number 18 and 19 are crystal 2 and crystal 1 respectively. These pins are used to connect external crystal oscillator across it. Then pin number 29. Pin number 29 is a PSEN bar pin. It is the active low pin. It is program store enable pin. This pin is used to read data from external program memory. Pin number 30. Pin number 30 is ALE or PROG bar pin. ALE is address latch enable active high pin. This pin is used for latching the lower byte of address during access to external memory. PROG, that is the program pulse input. So pin 30 is also program pulse input pin, and this pin is program pulse input during flash programming or during EEPROM programming. Pin number 31. Pin number 31 is EA bar or VPP. EA bar is active low pin. It is external access enable pin. External access enable pin is used to enable or disable external memory interfacing. Pin number 31 is also act as VPP, that is a program enable voltage, and this pin receives 12-volt programming enable voltage during flash programming. So these pin number 29, 30 and 31 are basically used for external memory interfacing. So with this we have understood the function of each pin of this 40 pin IC. Out of this 40 pin, 2 pins are used for power supply, that is VCC and ground. 2 pins are used to connect the external crystal oscillator. 1 pin is for reset, and these 3 pins are for external memory access, and remaining 32 pins are for general purpose bidirectional I/O parallel port. Port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. So port 0, port 2 and port 3 do have alternate functions that will be covered in upcoming video. So I thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.